Okay, Norm, that looks like it's starting to work now, which is cool. One other thing next that we need to do is, so this page here, so this is the confirmation page. Once the order is complete, you see here there are the access your purchase buttons. Now these are dynamically updated, and they just send you to whatever thank you page you choose in ClickFunnels. So what we'll need to do is create two new thank you pages. So they can just be in that same funnel. Be in this same funnel. So just add two new steps and make sure that they are thank you pages, because how it works is in the product section on each of the steps. So obviously the black belt system product here will be on the upsell 2 and then upsell 1 or on the tripwire page. But so what happens is, I think in the fulfillment email, so we've just taken all the subject and the body out, so ClickFunnels won't send anything out, but this link here, so you can hook it up to a thank you page of your choosing. So I don't know where that one is at the moment. I think it's already might be in here actually, by the looks of it. So look at system thank you page. I don't know which one it's pulling. It's there, so it's that top one there. So that link on when you go to the product and you go to membership, here, it's membership, fulfillment email. So the page that we select here, so the thank you page here, will go to on this page here. So you can see if I click on that, it's opening that page. So what I want you to do is create, there's already the black belt system thank you page, create another one, make them look exactly the same, and in it we can just link them to the Kajabi, the Kajabi link. So for the black belt system, just grab the link here to access it. We'll see, yeah, wherever you can get that link, or maybe it's just to the Kajabi login page. And on that thank you page, maybe I'll write, if you set them both up and connect them to each of the products, we might be able to just have the one thank you page actually, and then it can just be thank you for your purchase. You check your email. If you don't have an email within 10 minutes or something, I'll set it up. So just connect it. This one could probably do as it is. Maybe make it look the same as this page here. So the same darkness, make the logo. So just make it look exactly the same as this. Remove that box maybe. And we can just put a link to access your course now or something like that. So when they click on that, they go through to this page here, access your course. Unless we can change that link, which I don't know if we can, but if we can, then do that. But have a look and yeah, set up that. Thanks.